Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, today I'll be unboxing some of my love mail from one of my honeys. So, I don't know who this is from. A couple other people told me to expect something, but I don't recognize the name of the person who sent this. So, it hasn't been opened yet. I just picked it up from my post office mailbox. So y'all gonna see it as I see it. And I hope it ain't nothing strange and I can go on and make this video. Because I had no idea what it is. It's wrapped well, I know that much. Let's cut this right here. That didn't help. Let me cut this without cutting my finger, because these are my plant shears. I got cooking shears, I got sewing shears, and these are plant shears. I have to cut off the dead leaves and things. Get right here. A little note in here. And whenever y'all send me anything, if you don't want me to show it on my channel, make a video out of it, or call your name or something, please let me know. And I will abide by your wishes. Okay, what is this now? Somebody called. Oh, I know who this is. Grandma Cheap Cheap. Okay. Okay, now what is this? There's a little note on here. Let me see if I can read this. Okay, I'm going to read it to you. Oh, wow, look at this. Dixie Fry. Original recipe, naturally seasoned coating mix. Dixie Fry. I've never heard of this before. I just came from the store and bought some ground beef for hamburgers. Now I wish I had bought some chicken, because I would use this today. Oh yes, I've heard of Kentucky Colonel. Yeah, I use that a lot. Okay, this box looks different for some reason. It don't say spicy or nothing. It's just the regular color of the Kentucky Colonel. I don't know, but yes, I'm very familiar with Kentucky Colonel, and I buy all the flavors. But I've never heard of Dixie Fry, so I'm anxious to try this. So let me read this note. Hello, sis. I've been baking chicken wings in the oven. When I put them on a wire rack, it's like an air fryer, I suppose. Anyway, it works for me. I found these coatings in the store and thought about you. Have you ever used these brands? Thanks for all you do. Grandma Cheap Cheap. Thank you so much, Grandma Cheap Cheap. Oh my goodness. Now you already know these will be put to good use. And I'm very anxious to try this, because I've never seen it before. So it says how to make delicious chicken, pork chops, or fish with Dixie Fry. Okay, yes, I'll be air frying me some chicken using this. Oh my goodness, I can smell it through the package. Woo, it smells good. Y'all know I love me some good air fried chicken. I rarely eat fried chicken, deep fried chicken anymore. Sometimes I go to Popeyes and get some. But mainly I like my air fried chicken better. Oh, this says now, no oil recipe. Well, I spray oil on mine, but I can't wait. And yes, I used Kentucky Colonel. Thank you so much, Grandma Cheap Cheap. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching this unboxing. I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know if I'd be able to show the video because I never know what people will send me. Especially since I didn't recognize the name on the label. But anyway, this is a good one. Yes, I'm very happy. Thank you so much for thinking about me. When you saw these in the store, you thought about me. I'm the chicken lady. Do my thumbnail. Okay, that's my thumbnail picture. Thanks again, Grandma Cheap Cheap. Thanks again to all my honeys for sticking with me, for helping me to grow tremendously. I couldn't have done it without you. Thank you so much for all you do, for all the gifts that you send me. I feel so blessed. Thank you for shopping my Amazon store. Thank you for buying my Just Winging It t-shirts. And somebody bought a mug, one mug. And what else? I just want to thank you. Thank you so much. I really, really, really appreciate you. I can't add too many reallys. So, give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And right now, I try to get to all my comments. It's getting kind of hard because my channel has been growing by leaps and bounds, and I thank you. I am so grateful. So, you all have a very blessed day. Okay, bye.